to another video. Can you hear those birds? Listen. Beautiful. It's just gone 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm in Mallorca, in Coma. I'm on a holiday for 2 weeks, but it's 6:30 in the morning, so I snuck out early with the camera. See, can I photograph some birds this morning? Beautiful spot here in Coma. I forget the name of it, but I'll show you guys. It's just loads and loads of woodland. Just beside the coast. It's absolutely gorgeous. Here last year, I photographed the spotted flycatchers. So this morning, I have seen quite a lot of spotted flycatchers and seen a few Hoopoes. I don't know what they're called. I think they're called Hoopoes. Orange bird, beautiful, about the size of a jay. They have a tuft on the top of their head. Goldfinches. Sorry, I just have to see a load of goldfinches. But this morning, not really too fussed. Would love to get some nice shots of the spotted flycatchers. Again, I love the spotted flycatchers. Beautiful little bird, no colour really, just kind of a two-tone grey. But they're absolutely beautiful bird, and they're not too hard to photograph because they're not quite skittish over here. But yeah, the plan for this morning is I'm going to spend 3 or 4 hours just walking around with the camera in my hand, and if I see something, I'm just going to take a photo. It's as simple as that this morning. But there's a lot of dense woodland. A lot of the birds seem to be in the dense woodland. I'm walking along this open area just to see if I can catch some birds coming out and perching up on some of these perches. But they ain't playing ball. It's so funny, the path I'm after coming down, I can see a load of birds now perched and out on the path, and then obviously as I go back down they're going to be gone again. It's just absolutely gorgeous here. Right, so as I said, the plan is I'm just going to walk around with the camera on hand. I do have the monopod in the bag. I did put it on this morning, but I ended up taking it off because I wanted to get low to the ground, try photograph something, but it flew off. But yeah. Right, so let's get cracking. I'm just going to get walking around and see what I can capture. So wish me luck, guys. Folks, I think we're onto something here. Let's see, can you see him? No, he's just up there. A hoopoe, the orange bird, beautiful. I'll hold on, I'll see, can I get a bit of footage for you? Just up there. he's doing is, I copped him from a bit back there, flying down to the ground, feeding and flying back up to that tree. So I'm just going to sit here for a bit and wait. He's just flying down to the ground and back up. And there's two of them now, there's two of them up in the tree. Right, I'm going to sit and wait for a bit now. And let's hope they come down. We got a lot of harsh light now, even though it's like 7 in the morning. But let's pray that they come into the shade and I can get some shots of these guys. I don't even care if they're really nice images. I just really want to get some photos of these guys. Ah, they've flown off now. Ah, got some photos. I don't know, because I was there, and I'll show you. See the rocks. See the rocks there under the tree? That's where they were coming down from. Oh, wow. So they were sitting up in that tree. I was lying there, and I'll show you some of these images. What a beauty. Kept coming into the light, and I got some nice ones from up there. So I've got some photos of that Hoopoe, sorry. Hoopoe. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but I'm gonna call him a Hoopoe. Hear that bird? It's a warbler. That's the warbler. Who is singing that song? There'd be bird guys watching this saying, knowing exactly what that is. I think it's a warbler. The light is in my face, so I can't really see. Stop singing now because I've got close. Well, so we got photos of the Hoopoe. The Hoopoe. Hoopoe. Where is that? Right, I'm going to track this way for a few minutes and then I'm going to make my way into the woods and let's see, can I get some spotted flycatchers? Right, let's go. I'm sweating. It's like 22 degrees and I didn't bring any water with me because I'm a dope. Here we go. So, spotted flycatcher now. He's in the distance and he's on a tree. Just going down and up. Here, I'm going to get a quick photo because before it goes, there's a bit of backlight on him. It's lovely. That was cool. I was watching him for a sec. He was popping. Just have the sun right behind him on that bush there. He's coming in and out. Oh no. What I was saying there, I got a bit distracted. That bird actually perched up. That was making all that beautiful singing earlier. Here, show you. There he is, the warbler. Look at the eye. Beautiful. What a beauty. But what was I saying about the spotted flycatcher? I got a shot of the spotted flycatcher, kind of backlit on the bush. I don't know, I think it's really cool looking. See if you can make it out here. Have a look. See him there? That's the full frame. It'd be nice just maybe a crop, just like that, because it's just completely black. That's lovely. That was awesome. And that bird, I was making all that beautiful music earlier after I got the hoopoe. Where is he? If I go to Mallorca, you can't know all the birds. Mallorca is that's him. Sandrinian warbler. That's definitely him. Definitely. I'm going to call it a day because I'm sweating and I forgot my water, and I spent so long just hiking around that I kind of walked past a lot of stuff, I think. But I'm going to come back. I'm going to... Oh, the songs of the birds are absolutely beautiful. But I'm going to come back, not tomorrow morning, the morning after. I'm going to come back and just concentrate on the spotted flycatchers. But today we end up getting some of these images. Let me show you. So we have that warbler up there. Beautiful. And look at them. What a beautiful bird. But if I go all the way back to this morning, and I managed to get the spotted flycatcher up here with the lovely backlight, it was spot flycatcher coming out. I think that's a lovely image. I like that. That's the style of image I really like. And then I got the whoopie this morning, the Hoopoe this morning up there, just the bottom of the tree. That's actually a nice, blurry. I was going to say, was it? Oh, that one's sharp. Oh yeah, that's a nice one there. Successful morning. Oh, but I'm gonna call it a day because I'm sweating. I've no water. It's like 9:30, and I'm going to the buffet, my breakfast buffet in the all-inclusive hotel, and then I'm going to swimming pool for the day with the kids. So I'm more excited for that. So I'm gonna pack up. The woods just, see, when you come out of the woods, it just opens up to the beach. See the beach in the distance. The hotel is like 15 minutes that way. Not too far. But I'm going to be back in 2 days, and we're going to go for another walk around. And we're going to concentrate on the spot flycatchers. I'll do that in a separate video because I don't want the videos being too long. But I'll post this video. If you're watching, I'll post this video, and then in 2 or 3 days I'll post a spotted flycatcher if I get some spotted flycatchers. Not tomorrow, the day after. But anywho, I'll definitely throw some of those images over on the Instagram, Sean Mead Photography. I'll leave a link to the Instagram below, or on the website at seanmeadphoto.com. But anywho, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it.